Well, Casey, not having as much fun as Haley, clearly, but we are headed on I-81 north here towards Bristol. I'll go ahead and flip it around. The snow has picked back up. You can see here that it's basically down to a one-lane road. That's all that they have plowed here at the moment. A lot of standing snow on here, and as Mark was explaining, as that temperature drops, is when that ice accumulation is going to start. This very dangerous conditions out here at the moment. I did check in with the Tennessee Highway Patrol and the Tennessee Department of Transportation. Both said that they've been responding to incidents all day of people driving off the road in the ditches, spinning out. A lot of different calls throughout the day on these treacherous roads. I did want to point out as well that we've noticed probably the most dangerous areas are also on those exit ramps. Getting on and off the highways is going to be very hard as you try to slow down, try to make those turns, kind of riding those brakes. That's where we're seeing a lot of the congestion here as well. So if you do have to get out, just make sure you're taking it slow because these conditions are very dangerous at the moment. TDOT and THP officials were echoing that sentiment as well. Unless you absolutely have to be out here, please stay home, as we need to give these crews and road crews enough space to be able to do what they need to do to get these roads cleared as well. But right now, very dangerous conditions out on the road, and we will continue to bring you updates throughout the rest of the evening. For now, from I-81 in the Storm Chaser, Brody Wilson, Casey, back to you.